This is probably the topic I've caught the most amount of grief over on the interwebs, but I've been preaching it nonstop for the last 3 years. And now I'm starting to see a lot of the guys that busted my balls saying, all I do is this. All right. So it's working, it's changing the industry, and that's pretty freaking cool. 3 years ago, I started preaching no more 5-inch gutter, 6-inch only, unless you live in South Florida. Then you can sell 7-inch gutters only. All right. And people have lost their mind over this thing. And I'm like the king of simple scales. I like keeping things simple. I shouldn't say that. I know that keeping things simple is the fastest way to scale a business. Myself, I like making things really hard, and that's why I suck at business sometimes. But keeping things simple makes it easier to train technicians, train admin, train sales reps, warehousing, all that stuff. So here's my logic on why we quit offering 5-inch gutter and started offering 6-inch only 3 years ago. I got sick of 5-inch systems failing. And you might say, well, Colin, that means your downspouts weren't good enough and blah, blah, blah. No, we just get hellacious rains sometimes and they don't work, all right? I wouldn't go buy a car that's gonna get me to work 4 out of 5 times. Why would I buy a gutter system that's gonna work 4 out of 5 times? That sounds ridiculous. And let's be real, nobody wants extra downspouts on their house. Like, gutters are not sexy. We're trying to hide them most of the time, unless of course we're doing like fancy copper or something. But remember, I'm king of simple scales, and we do 6-inch aluminum gutters only. Sometimes a customer can twist their arm into doing copper 6-inch K-style gutters, all right? But that's it. We're not doing half round. We're not doing any of that stuff because why? 1% of, we'd miss out on 1% of jobs? Like, that sounds ridiculous. Like, if I was the gutter guy and I wanted to be the best damn gutter installer, sure, I'd do it all. I'd have every single profile. I'd offer it to every single customer, and I'd sell a lot less jobs. All right, you talk to anybody out there that's offering every single profile, and I promise you their closing rate sucks because every customer's confused on what profile should I get. And the next guy shows up, leaf filter probably, and leaf filter offers one thing and one thing only, bam, and they buy leaf filter for 4 times the price as the guy who offered every single profile of gutter, all right? Simple scales. Let's talk about like the technician side of it. If I gotta teach you how to do flat face box gutter, K-style gutter, half round gutter, let's call it like piece together industrial box gutters. Like, if I gotta teach you how to do all that, you're never gonna be good at any of them. You're gonna be jumping from thing to thing to thing. Oh, and then let's throw in copper and how to solder. Like, what? Why would anybody love that? All right. They're gonna, okay, yeah, today I'm doing 6-inch K-style aluminum, and then tomorrow I'm doing this thing. Like, can you imagine what a mess their truck would be? Or how often they have to move their tools from this truck to this truck to this truck to this truck? It just sucks. Nobody wants to do that. Why do you think people go to a factory and stay there all day, every day for the next 40 years of their life? Because it's simple. They don't have to think about it. They just show up and do it. Why don't we do the same thing inside of our gutter business? Why don't we make it simple so that people aren't job hunting and hating their life? I don't know. Like, it seems like not rocket science to me. All right. So we simplified the install process. This is what we do. This is how we do it. Like, there's enough variance job to job to keep people on their toes. All right. And like make it fun for them. The right people will still care about the product that they're putting out. All right, they don't have to be challenging themselves with soldering copper or whatever your favorite fix is. All right, so you focus on keeping it simple and the rest takes care of itself. Now let's go to sales. All right, I already hit on this a little bit. The guy offering every single profile of gutter is going to sell a lot less. If you offer more than 3 things to a customer, they're confused, they're not buying. Think about leaf filter. Think about the biggest companies in the world. What do they offer? One thing. That's it. This is all we do. This is it. I'm not offering this gutter guard, this gutter guard, this gutter guard, this gutter guard, this gutter guard. No, I'm not offering this style profile and this style gutter and this style gutter and this style gutter. No, they offer one thing only because why? Well, more than 99% of consumers are buying that one style. That's it. So unless you're like a novelty act and you're going out and buying all the different stuff, like, cool, that can be your shtick. You can be that guy. You can have all the different builders in the area using you to meet their architectural specs. Sweet. Have fun running that one gutter machine 3 times a year, all right? That's an expensive $30,000 paperweight. The other however many days, working days a year that is, all right? Just sounds stupid to me. I'm gonna have machines that are working, I'm gonna have trucks that are moving, I'm gonna have guys that know what they're doing, and then I'm gonna have sales reps who only have to sell one thing. Because if I teach them how to do all this other crap, guess what? This sales rep's really good at selling this thing, and this one's good at this thing, and this one's good at this thing, and this one's good at this thing, and now we got a variety. And now my technicians have to, like, it just changes everything. And now you talk about the warehouse. Well, if all I do is 6-inch K-style, I got 3x4 stuff, and I got 15-inch coil. I got 6-inch end caps, and I got pipe bands. And holy cow, that's really easy. But if I just add 5-inch, now I got 2x3 elbows, now I got 2x3 downspouts, now I got 5-inch end caps, now I got smaller pipe bands, now I got whatever, right? Like, what? At different size outlets. Why would I want that? Why would I want double the warehouse? Just seems stupid. Oh, well, Colin, I've got a 5-6 combo machine. It's really easy to interchange. Yeah, you're right. It is really easy to interchange. But you know what's not? Having a truck that has to be twice as big to stock everything in it. Just sounds like a mess. And it doesn't sound like a mess. It was a mess because I did it, all right? I did it for years. And then actually, one of my former employees, David Leffler, went down to Elkhart, Indiana, started his own gutter business, and he came up to buy something from me one time. He's like, yeah, you know what? My brother told me to just offer 6-inch K-style gutter only once, and I started doing it, and I love it, man. That's all I sell, and I only offer these 3 colors. And I was like, dude, I'm gonna steal that. Holy crap. Yes, that makes a ton of sense. Within 2 months, we were 6-inch only, we offer 5 colors, all right? But that was it. All right, that's all it took for me. It was like, oh, duh. One of my former employees that I taught everything he knew, boom, goes and does that. Obviously, I didn't teach him that one thing. So I learned, and I was like, yeah, this makes a ton of sense. And our life got so much easier. My sales reps, when I broke it to them, they about crapped their pants. And guess what? We lost one job in now 4 or 5 years of doing 6-inch only. We've lost one job because one customer only wanted 5-inch galvalume. And my sales rep begged me to let him sell it. And I said, fine. You used to be a technician for me. His name is Nick. He's been with me now 6 years. So you used to be a technician. Here's my deal. You can sell him 5-inch. Here's the price. It's the same as 6-inch. You can sell him the 5-inch, but you're going to install it on a Saturday. And he's like, okay, deal. I'll pay you. I'll pay you as the full commission for your sale and the commission as the installer. He's like, all right, cool. He did not get the job. All right, plain and simple. And we didn't have to jump through hoops or anything stupid like that, all right? We keep it simple because simple scales. That's it. The more you teach people, the more they have to remember. And guess what? They don't want to remember all this stuff. The average employee doesn't care to know the difference between 5 and 6 and this and that and whatever else. Like, keep it simple so that they can trudge on. I'm learning a ton about knocking doors right now. And what it continues to like punch me in the face is don't send your guys out to knock doors for more than one service. You send them out for one service, they have one script, they have one thing they're focused on, and that's it. And watch their appointment sets increase. And I'm like, oh my goodness, we've been doing this wrong for 8 months. We've been sending out for 3 things. Like, imagine if we would have only sent them out for one thing. We would have gotten so many more appointments. We got to be willing to adapt, all right? And so this might, like, you might have already typed 6 different comments here about how much you hate this idea and how stupid I am and blah, 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 blah. But please just be willing to like entertain it and hear it out. Because if you can't learn something from somebody every single day, I mean, I can talk to guys with puny businesses. I just mentioned it, David. His business was tiny, all right? Tiny, and he came in and said that to me. Meanwhile, I've got 15 employees. We're rocking and rolling. Like, I'm the boss. I'm the CEO. I'm doing the thing. I was out of the business at that point. And I just happened to be meeting him because I had some old equipment I was selling, and he was in town. And he says that, and I was like, oh my goodness. Like, don't get so big for your britches that you won't listen to the little guy. I learned crap like from my customers who are not in business, all right? They ask me things, and I'm like, ooh, if I did that in my business, it might radically change this. So don't shut this thing off and just be like, oh, screw that Colin guy, he's an idiot, because it's shifting. Like, I'm seeing it all over the country now. People are offering 6-inch only. 5-inch machines will always be a thing. Like, there will always be people offering 5-inch, all right? But It's changing. The real companies are offering 6-inch only. The real business owners, the guys who want to make money, not just have a job and be a gutter guy, they're offering 6-inch only. There's a huge shift in the industry right now. No, I'm not going to pat my own back and say that, but I will say I'm the first one that actually started that movement. All right. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's awesome that here I am 3 years later. I took a lot of blows left and right, hooks, you name it. Like I took them, but it's changing the industry and people are making money, and that's really freaking cool. So 5-inch versus 6-inch, simple scales. That's it. That's the name of the game. Offer what people are buying, and the rest will take care of itself.